Hi everyone, welcome to Speak English Basics. I'm Alex.
And I'm Emma. Today, we're going to help you talk about your future plans in English.
Talking about the future is an important skill. It helps you discuss your goals, schedule meetings, or simply share your weekend plans.
We'll cover grammar, useful phrases, and examples that will make talking about your future easy and fun.
So let's get started.
Alex, when we talk about the future, which grammar structures do we use?
Great question, Emma. There are three main ways: using will, using going to, using the present continuous tense.
Let's start with will.
Sure. Will is used when we decide to do something at the moment of speaking. For example, I will call you tomorrow. We will go to the park later.
Got it. And how about going to?
Going to is for plans or intentions you've already made. For example, I'm going to visit my grandparents next week. She's going to study medicine.
That's useful. What about the present continuous tense?
We use it for definite plans, especially with time expressions. For example, I'm meeting my friend at 5 p.m. We're traveling to London next month.
So, we can mix these depending on the situation. Next, let's look at some useful vocabulary.
Absolutely. Here are some words and phrases. Schedule, a plan of things to do. Example, my schedule is full next week. Appointment, a set time to meet someone. Example, I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow. Deadline, the latest time to complete something. Example, the project deadline is next Friday. Goal, something you want to achieve. Example, my goal is to learn English fluently. Event, a planned occasion. Example, there's a music event this weekend.
These words are helpful when discussing plans.
They sure are.
Let's teach our viewers some useful phrases to talk about their future plans.
Good idea. Here are a few. I'm planning to, example, I'm planning to start a new course. I'm thinking about, example, I'm thinking about traveling to Spain. I hope to, example, I hope to finish my homework by tonight. I'm looking forward to, example, I'm looking forward to the weekend.
These phrases make your sentences sound more natural.
Exactly.
Now, let's talk about asking others about their plans.
Sure. Here are some questions you can use. What are you doing this weekend? Do you have any plans for the holidays? Are you free tomorrow? What's your schedule like next week?
And how can we answer?
Use phrases like, I'm going to the cinema. I don't have any plans yet. I'll probably stay home.
These are simple but effective. Alex, what about long-term plans?
For long-term plans, we use phrases like, I hope to, example, I hope to start my own business one day. I'm aiming to, example, I'm aiming to become a teacher. My goal is to, example, my goal is to travel the world.
These phrases are perfect for discussing dreams and aspirations.
Let's practice. Try answering these questions. What are you doing tomorrow? Do you have plans for the weekend? What's your long-term goal?
Write your answers in the comments below, and we'll check them. Let's share some fun idioms for talking about plans.
Sure. On the cards, likely to happen. Example, a vacation is on the cards this year. Up in the air, uncertain. Example, our weekend plans are still up in the air. Set in stone, fixed and unchangeable. Example, the wedding date is set in stone.
These idioms make your conversations more colorful. Alex, what are some common mistakes learners make when talking about the future?
Good question. Here are a few. Mixing up will and going to. Forgetting time expressions like tomorrow or next week. Using present tense instead of future tense.
Practice and careful listening can help fix these mistakes.
That's all for today's lesson. Talking about the future is easier when you know the right grammar and vocabulary.
Remember to practice regularly and try using these phrases in your daily life. Remember to practice regularly and try using these phrases in your daily life. See you next time, and best of luck with your future plans.